Okay, this is how it will come, and this cover will be coming like this. And that's it. Again, this lock, once it's over here, you can push the pin, then clip it lock. Whenever you're taking off, that will be not easy, but it can be off. It's not a big issue, but remember, be careful, start with that care, and this is how it will go. Where's the locking? Where's the screw? There should be 2 screws over here, and everything should be coming like it's supposed to be. So hopefully you like this help. Maybe in future it will help you out. Thanks for watching. This is Shah from Auto Services Provider.